Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, no? If you did not subscribe yet, please subscribe. So after completing the UTOTS event, all the chapter, so I was able to claim the 107 OBR. So here you can claim the shards 107 or the Mashirano for upgrade. And then so I just want to show you that I was able to complete all the chapter from Icon, League 1, Premier League, Bundesliga, Serie and so on. So here, don't forget to claim the bonus Mascherano. And then I was able to claim as well the UTOTS kit. And then here we go. So the 107. So the good thing here is there's an option to choose from, unlike from the other event that you can choose, right? It's random, but here you can claim one of these player. So definitely I will go to De Gea for my goalkeeper because I need to upgrade my goalkeeper. So yeah, so that's a good option actually, because in previous event you can pack a random player, and right, so here we can replace Martinez now. So actually Martinez is good, he helps me a lot to reach FC champion. So yeah, so here we go, and then we're going to rank up De Gea, right? So I guess we can max out this level. Right, so yeah, so I'm just maxing out the level of the Gea from 0 to 5 star or legendary. Actually De Gea is one of the most trending if you watch YouTube for there's some review that De Gea is unstoppable. That's why I selected De Gea as my goalkeeper. I tried it before Martinez. My goalkeeper is De Gea, and yeah, he is unstoppable, guys. So you can try him as your goalkeeper. There are other options like Buffon, Bandisar, Donnarumma, and one of in UTOTS is Newer. So yeah, they are also good goalkeeper. And since we are free to play user, so yeah, so this is my current squad. Fortunately I was not able to reach 103, maybe because of my center mid. My center mid is 104, so that is why. But all of them are just free packs. I was lucky enough to pack Ronaldo in 3K gem, then Lucio and Thuram is for the shard. I was able to exchange them in shard. So yeah, that's it guys, thank you so much.